Hey guys, how are we doing today? Welcome to Mathmarize, and today's video is going to be very interesting. Why is it going to be interesting? Well, simply put, today's video has something that I have never seen on YouTube. That's right. It has me breaking a product given by my company to show you guys what's inside. That's right, I am going to be breaking an asset given to me by my company to bring you guys a good video. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm risking my job for this. Right? So without any further ado, let's get started. You've seen enough of my face. Let's zoom into what's inside these headphones. So guys, these are the decibel headphones from Mathmarize, and these are the Jim Beam edition, which is the latest edition, and it looks damn cool. Actually, it goes with my hoodie, and I'm really sad that I have to do this, but then we have to have a good video, right? It's all for the content. So we take out the mesh first, the cushion here. So as you can see, the cushion comes out really well. Then let's dive deep, right? And well, it seems we have reached a point where we have tried to open everything up, right? Obviously not. Like, we are going to have to take this apart too, and there you go. So as you can see, we have the speaker here. Now those of you who are unaware, these speakers have some rare earth materials and some specific magnets, and majority of the cost of a headphone is in these magnets, because these magnets are really difficult to procure. And somewhere in the middle of last year, these magnets were so difficult to find that the cost of headphones had actually increased, right? So as you can see, yes, we are pretty much opening up something that my company gave me, which is a super dangerous thing. As you can see, we have the speaker here. So here, as you can see, we have basically removed all the components of the headphones. In here are metal bands, right? So obviously if we remove that, everything is gone, although it seems a lot of it is already gone and needs soldering because I removed it too hard, right? So now that we have this open, let me give you a close-up. So here right now we are in close-up, right? As you can see, this is the speaker. Okay, this is what you actually hear, and this is obviously the battery here. I'm not going to play with the battery a lot. There's a reason why you should not really do much with the battery, especially when opening devices, right? And the wire runs inside the headband. The main IC is here. As you can see, this is the main IC board. Let me get you a close-up look. So this is the main IC board. This is the charging mechanism. This is for the aux, right? And this you can see soldered are the buttons, right? And these are the copper wires that basically are coming from the other end of the headphone. So yes, this is how the inside of a headphone look, right? And if you liked the effort, if you liked how everything went, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. I risked my job for this. Thanks for watching the video, guys.